Welcome everyone to our channel. This will be the unboxing of ThinkGeek's Star Trek 50th Anniversary Starfleet Pin Set. In this set you will receive 5 different pins, 4 of them being starships from the classic series, as well as other series such as TNG, DS9, and Voyager. You will also receive inside here the anniversary pin and a stand for one of the pins that if you want to display. Now in here we do have the actual Enterprise from the original series, Enterprise from TNG, the Defiant from DS9 and TNG, as well as the USS Voyager from the Voyager series. You will also include the 50th anniversary pin badge. Now we're going to take this out and we're going to show you all the ships without the covering. Now as you see, they do have good detail on them for the price of this actual box. And inside we actually do have the stand. It does come in 2 pieces, so we're going to show you how it is when you set it up with the ship. Now the stand itself was kind of fun to put together and display a ship on. As the stand itself mounts on, you can actually put it backwards or forward, the actual holding stand. So if you want the ship in the back of the Delta, you can have it that way, facing forward, or towards the front. So all you would just do is take the backing off the actual ship itself. And then there is actually a hole on the stand for you to actually insert the pin housing. And underneath you can put the backing so nobody hurts themselves, stuff like that. But other than that, that's how it would look with the stand itself. Now, as a Star Trek fan, it is great to have one of these things just to display and just to wear around in whatever ship you want to represent, whether it's the original Enterprise all the way up to the Voyager science vessel. You can actually do that. It's great. This is actually cool to actually put your ship on and display it when you're not wearing it or have one out. Other than that, they are not badly priced for the whole thing, and you are getting 5 unique pins pretty much. This one here is very common with ThinkGeek. They have put it in a previous box as well. But other than that, you have a great day, and thank you for watching our video.